Hello mga kadipat, this is Don Patrick D. Paraguilar and you are watching Dipat TV.
Broadcasting to you live from Barangay Anonas in the city of Urdaneta in Pangasinan inside Dipat's Laboratory. Don Patrick D. Padaguilar proudly brings to you race day number 6 of the scheduled 8 race days schedule for September 2023 right here live on Dipat's Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference. Like isang aggregate. So without further ado, we are now in our September 20, 2023 edition of DPAT's Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference. And we'll begin this right away with this race number 1 of Group B between Venom and Mirik in our race number 1 of their group stage. So ano na to, yung tawag dito, parang Wednesday group, Battle of Wednesday groups, itong mangyayari ngayong gabi. Yung September 13 Group A laban sa September 6 Group B. September 13 Group A versus September 6 Group B. Yung po yung mangyayari ngayong araw na ito ng Miyerkules, Run and Gun Wednesday edition of DPAT's Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference featuring 8 of my 12 actually 8 of the 12 cars actually. Sa 12 talaga total, 6 on 6 pero 4 at a time per group. This time, ang mauuna ay ang Group B. At yung Group B ang malalagay sa Lane 1. Lane 1, Lane 2, Lane 1, Lane 2 this week. Then next week, Lane 2, Lane 1, Lane 2, Lane 1, and blah blah blah. So Lane 1 matatapos next week. Ngayon naman, Lane 2 matatapos this week. So in this Group B race number 1, it's going to be Venom starting at lane 1 and Mirik will start at lane 2. Alright mga ka-DPAT, once again this is DPAT's Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference live on our Facebook page, DPAT's Tamiya League, with yours truly, Don Patrick D. Panaguilar, bringing you another set of Run and Gun Wednesday racing action right here on DTL SMC. Beginning with this race number 1 of Group B, we will go for our group stage today. Switch on! Ready, set, bye! Pagkahabol, okay lang. Winner. Okay, that's it. No hit, pero nahabol. Uli, pero di kulong. Sorry, ganun. Venom, winner. To start off, DPAT's Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference this September 20, 2022. Dito naman may next. Record pala muna. Record na muna pala natin. Nasundan siya going to the final lap na sana nasundan si Mirik. Therefore, Venom wins outright. Venom won outright over Mirik. Race number 1 of Group A will feature Stargate versus McLaren. In this matchup, McLaren starts at lane 2, Stargate at lane 1. So ano to? 4 na VZ at 2 Super 2 at 2 front motor fires yung ating lineup ngayong araw nito. Alright. Race number 1 of Group A. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Major mga Warren, final up. Nabazukan ni Cobalt B. Nabazukan ni Madam Cobalt B. McLaren winner. Kasi nabazuka si Starcake. Na bazooka ni ko Patbi. Na bazooka eh. Aray. Aray ko po. Hop! Kita na yan. Yung group A race 2 pala yun. Group B, Group A, Group B, Group A. Tapos lane 1, lane 2, lane 1, lane 2 pa rin. This time, yung Group B naman ng lane 1, higher seed. Higher seed ng Group A, lane 2. McLaren won over Stargate. Alright, race number 2 of Group B will feature Setsuna. Our defending champion will start its title defense against the comebacking Metalder in our race number 2 of their group. And in this matchup, Setsuna starts at lane 1, Metalder at lane 2. Alright, race number 2 of Group B. Switch on. Got it. Ready, set, bye. Okay, change state. Going. Abla. Na laser arm. Na laser arm. Pero una na doon pa si Metalder. Therefore, yun ang nalaman kay Mio. Tapos yan. Yung sensor na mix. Draw game. Pwede pong magtabla. Wala nang re-race yun. Pag parehong umimbang, draw na kagad, matik. 1 point each. Okay. Race number 2 of Group A featuring Cosmo Atomica taking on Dark Sun. And in this matchup, Cosmo Atomica starts at lane 2. Dark Sun will start at lane 1. Alright. Group A, race number 2. Switch on. Mama 1 to. Ready, set, bye. Oh, winner! Right down it! Na-rider kick. Chokoink! Na-barbecue. Na-barbecue pa nandi oras si Dark Sun. Aray. Tostado. Cosmo Atomica winner. Na-rider kick. Battle of BZ Chassis Machines agad ang ating race number 3 later on. Yan, puro just like nung ano rin, just like nung nakaraang Miyerkules din. Last Wednesday, ganyan din eh. Yung Battle of BZ Machines ulit. Yung nangyari sa race number 3. Race number 3 ng kanilang mga lupon. Kanilang mga koponan. Grouping. Dark Sun lost na rider kick. Na rider kick ng Niguras Guru. Alright. Mabilis tayo, mabilis. Talaga, kailangan mabilis eh. Kasi pinamamadali na tayo. Kaya kailangan natin maging mabilis kasi pinamamadali tayo rito eh. Because of delay kasi yung mga alam mo na mga karagdagang responsibilidad. Alam niyo na. Race number 3 of Group B featuring the two of the BZ Chassis Machines entering this tournament this month. Mirik taking on Metalder in so Power Rangers kalaban ng kalaban ng BR Troopers dito sa ating race number 3 of Group B wherein Mirik will start at lane 1 and Metalder will start this time at lane 2. Kanina lane 2 rin pala siya, no? Okay. Battle of Tokusatsu Heroes and as well the BZ Chassis Machines right here in our race number 3 of Group B. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Up. Ulit. Ulit. Ready, set, right. Okay. Okay, jogging. Mabagal na nga lang yun eh. Draw pa. Laging sabit pa. Ano kaya yun? Ano kaya yun? Draw game. Tabla. Ano kaya yun? One point, Mirik. Metalder, 2 points. Alright. Race number 3 of Group A. Again, another battle of BC chassis machines. This time, Dark Sun taking on Stargate rather. Munti ko na sabihin Scarlet. Stargate pala. Ayun. Race number 3 of Group A featuring another pair of BC chassis machines battling it out. It's going to be Dark Sun versus Stargate, wherein Stargate rather will start at lane 2 and Dark Sun will start at lane 1. Alright. Race number 3 of Group A. Switch on. Up. Ready, set, bye. Okay, that's it. Last two. Alright. Final lap. Okay, ready. Take off. Hey, oh, na-rider kick. Nang rider kick. Dark Sun winner. Alright. Officials time out ulit tayo. Officials time out. May naputol. Hindi na talaga pwede yung ano. Pwede, lagyan na lang ng malaking roller yung isa. Gawin na lang gawin natin yung quick solution dyan. Ang best solution na lang dyan, maglagay na lang ng malaking roller. Official timeout lang muna. We have an injury timeout. May magiging low tayo in the action. Dahil yung si Dark Sun, hindi natin namalaya na nagkaroon pala siya ng crack. Again. Nag-crack na naman doon. Aray, pupu. Ay, asan na yung ano? Ay, nandito siguro. Kahit isang ano lang, kahit isang malaki na lang. Hanap tayo ng malaki. Kahit isang 19mm stock na lang. Officials timeout lang po tayo muna. Injury timeout. Injury timeout. Ayun. Okay. Okay. Matas. Ito na yung ito na yung papalit natin. Okay. Injury timeout kay Dark Sun. Injury timeout kay Dark Sun. Dark Sun pero panalo . Sabi ko nga, if parts of the car fall during the race, it may still continue. Okay lang po yun. Manila Bulletin Rule po tayo, mga kadipat. If parts of the car fall during the race, it may still continue. Kung ang takip ang natanggal, yun ang DNF. O yun talagang force out. Pero pag roller, bumper, gulong natanggal, okay pa. Sige. Sige lang. Tuloy lang natin. Pero kung talagang ano na, nasundan na, wala na. That's it. Dito kasi sa DPAT Tamiya League, ang pinaiiral po natin is Heartstrong Racing. Heartstrong Racing po tayo rito. That's why okay lang po yung Manila Bulletin Rule dito. With international, in conjunction with FIMA rules. O, FIMA, Federación Internacional de Mini Four Wheel Drive Association ruling. FIMA. O, parang basketball lang, may FIBA, may FIFA, di ba? Dito sa Tamiya Mini Four Wheel Drive naman, FIMA. Alright. So, okay lang. Yam. Tatlo na yung nasira ko yatang tatlo na siguro yung nasira ko na. Ay, nako. Okay. Ayos na. Dark Sun okay. Arm for battle. Sa race 6 na siya makikita. Next. Next 2. Next pair of races. Tayo. Para mabilis tayo. Dark Sun pala panalo. Dark Sun winner ng Rider Kick. One arm Rider Kick. One arm Rider Kick. Stargate talo. Dark Sun panalo. Race number 1, 2, 3, 4. Race number 4 na ng Group B. Alright, second half ng ating group stage. Race number 4 of Group B na po tayo. Between the Dark Warriors, Venom, and Setsuna. So, maglaban na dito yung dalawang ito nung nakaraang Lunes, talagang yung kanilang duelo nung Monday. Dikit na dikit. Dikit na dikit. Setsuna barely nosing out Venom by a hairline lang. And let's see sa match-up na ito sa ating race number 4 ng Group B. Kung makakapawi dito si Venom this time around. And in this match-up, it's going to be Setsuna starting at lane 1. And Venom will start at lane 2. Alright mga kadipat, it's now time for our race number 4 of Group B. Switch on. Kalimaw. Ready? Set, bye. Good. Hinihilang eh. Last maintain, sir. Final lock. Tingnan natin. Yun. Membang. Nabawian. Sayang, makahabol na sana. Embang pa. Nabawian nga. Nakabawi nga this time. Venom winner. And making exact vengeance over Setsuna. Nakabawi. Nabawian. Nabawian. Nung Monday talagang dikit na dikit yung laban nila eh. Nanalo na si Setsuna ng medyo kabuhok lang eh. Ngayon naman sinigurado. Kasi nagka-sideshow lang, sinuwerte pa si Venom dahil nagka-sideshow lang. Biglang nagka-momentum si Setsuna right there. So it's a win for Venom once again. 2-0 so far. 2-0. Setsuna, pula. May pulang marka. Next, the battle of front motor cars, FMA versus Carbon FM right here between Cosmo Atomica and McLaren in our race number 4 of their group. And in this matchup, it's going to be Cosmo Atomica starting at lane 2. McLaren will start this time at lane 1. Alright, race number 4 of Group A. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Nakabawal si McLaren. Umangin si Cosmo. Nagkata, mas makakaba si Cosmo. Kabulan yung dalawang FM. Final lap, ayun! Nabikti ba? Winner. Sayang. Panalo na sana, umimbang pa. Aray. Nami Rivera si McLaren. Cosmo Atomica winner, remaining unbeaten in Group A. Naisahan pa. Aray. Tereg. Naisahan pa tuloy. Loren Los Umembang. Cosmo 2-0. Okay, last four. Last four races na tayo. Alright. Race number 5 of Group B will feature Mirik. Mirik taking on Setsuna in our race number 5, their penultimate race in their group. And in this matchup, it's going to be Setsuna starting at lane 1, Mirik at lane 2. Alright, the penultimate race of Group B. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Okay, doggy. Muntik nang nag-hit. Buti na lang, nasa loko kagad. Draw game. Tabla ang laban ni Nabel, ni Setsuna at ni Mirik. It's a draw. So, 1 point each. 1 point each yan. So, Mirik will finish it 2 points. Let's see kung 3 points si Metalder mamaya. Setsuna will finish. Oh, yun. Oh, baka may tiebreaker pace tayo mamaya. Posibleng tiebreaker pace tayo mamaya between Setsuna and Mirik. Alright. Next. Penultimate race of Group A will feature Stargek taking on Cosmo Atomica in our race number 5A. Yan. Race number 5 of Group A. And in this matchup, it's going to be Cosmo Atomica starting at lane 2, and Stargate will start this time at lane 1. Right, the penultimate race of Group A. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Magpay ko kaya. Magpay mo. Final changer. Final lap. Take. Steven. Kala ko may nasira na naman parte. Cosmo Atomica sweeping their group with a flawless victory 3-0. 3-0. 3-0. Stargate winless pala. Walang panalo si Stargate. So, A4 na yan, definitely. A4 si Stargate. Si Cosmo, A1. Meaning top seed. A1 being the top seeded car of Group A. Yung A4 kulelat ng Group A. Ayos na. A1, A4 decided. A1, A4 has been decided. Okay, last 2 sa group. Last 2 in group stage. Patience time up. Buti na lang. Alright. Final race of Group B. Featuring Venom versus Metalder. So, Lightning Web laban sa Laser Arm ang mangyayari dito sa ating 6th and final race ng kanilang group o tama ng kanilang lupon. And in this race number 6 of Group B, it's going to be Venom starting at lane 1, Metalder at lane 2. Alright, the 6th and final race of Group B. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Walk. Repeat, repeat. Repeat po. Ready, set, bye. Bakit? Good! Ang galing naman na slide na yun. Grabe na slide niya naroon. Venom. Final lap. Uy, oh. Ano na yun? Ano? Ang galing niya, nag-breakdance pa eh. Nag-breakdance. Biglang nag-breakdown sa track wall. Ayos ah. Venom sweeping as well. Yes, Venom sweeping their group. Sweeping group A with ease. Undefeated in 3 races of their group. So B1 si Venom. Si Cosmo A1. Down to our one last race in group stage. The end will feature Dark Sun taking on McLaren. Ayun, napalitan na po yung ano niya, yung roller niya kasi naputol po rito. Mahirap nang ibalik yan. Kahit ibalik pa po natin yan, wala na. No choice na. So, moving on. Dark Sun versus McLaren in our 6th and final race of their group. And also, overall, the final race of group stage today. And in this matchup, it's going to be McLaren starting at lane 2, Dark Sun at lane 1. Alright, the 6th and final race of Group A. Switch on. Ready, set, dive. Second rule. Last lane changer. Okay, ito naman na pa. Final lap. Grabe naman yung talon na yun. Muntik pa. Ano kaya yun? Grabe naman yung talon na yun ni McLaren. Grabe. McLaren winner, finishing off the group stage with a victory over Dark Sun. A3, si Dark Sun, definitely. So, kasado na ulit yung Group A, I think. Yes, kasado na nga po. A1, Cosmo Atomica. A2, McLaren. A3, Dark Sun. A4, Stargate. Yung po, I repeat Cosmo Atomica, A1 with 3-0. McLaren, 2-1. With 2-1 win-loss record. A2. Dark Sun with 1-2 win-loss record. A3. Winless in 3 races is Target. 0-3. A4. Yun po yung ano. So, finalize na yung Group A natin. O yung Team Home. Team Bahay. Ano na. Okay na. Again, Cosmo Atomica topping the list. FMA. Tapos si Venom, tinalo si Metalder ulit. Nako, 3-way tie. Nako, may 3-way tie pala dun sa ano. B2, B3, B4. Oo. Meron palang 3-way tie. Ano tayo? Kanina ba, ano lang nangyari kay... Parehong tinalo ni Venom, tabla-tabla pala sila lahat. Tiebreaker phase tayo, tapos single round robin. Pag 1-1 pa rin, switch lane, ganon. Winner's break. Winner's break, kanya yung lane, lane 1. Lane 1, lane 2, lane 1, lane 2. Ganon pa rin, alternate pa rin. Switch lane yan. Most likely. Switch lane. Tapos, McLaren A2. CFM. Tapos, Dark Sun A3. Stargate A4. Another easy. Tapos sa kabila si Venom B1. Alright. Bumigay. Anyari. Bakit bumigay? Tara. Anyari. Anyari. So, settled na po yung Group A. Settled na po yung Group A. Pero yung Group P, ang problema natin, 3-way tie between Metalder, Setsuna, and Merrick. So si Venom on top of the group, undefeated in 3 races, making it B1. So yung B2, B3, B4, ano siya, tabla. Tabla sa 1 loss, tsaka common loss nila si Venom, tapos tabla sila against each other. So ang mangyayari dito, since we have a 3-way tie, there will be a tiebreaker phase this time. So for today's race day, meron tayong tiebreaker phase between Setsuna, Myrick, and Metalder. So we'll start off first with Setsuna and Myrick. So in this case, lane 1 siya, no? So switch lane. Switch lane ito. Lane 1 si Setsuna kanina, lane 2 si pwede po ang switch lane kapag dahil 3-way tie lang naman, pwede naman ang switch lane if ever. No? Alright. So this time lane 2 si Lane 2 si Setsuna, lane 1 naman si Myrick. Okay, switch on, tiebreaker phase in Group B. Last man standing concept, apply. Ready, set, bye. That's good. Final lap. Nasunod pa ba? Okay. Setsuna winner 1-0. Panalo pa rin si Setsuna dun sa na yan. So winner's break. Lane 1 naman ngayon against Metalder. Palit din. Palit din siya. Palit din. Setsuna against Metalder. Lane 1 naman si si Setsuna nun against Metalder. Palit naman. Lane 2 pa rin. Lane 2 pa rin si Lane 2 pa rin si Setsuna. Alright. Kung makuha pa ni Setsuna ito, kung umimbang din si Metalder against Setsuna, kuha na ni Setsuna yung A2. B2 rather. Second seed na siya sa B2. Okay. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Good job. Oy! Grabe naman yan. Okay. 1 hole. Later, arm. Metalder wins. 1 hole, Setsuna. 1-0, Metalder. 0-1 si Myrick. Pag nakuha pa ni kung makuha pa ni Metalder yung laban niya kay Myrick, kanya na yung A2. Tapos A2, B2, tapos B3 si B3 si B3 si Setsuna, tapos B4 si Myrick. Pag natalo pa si Myrick dito kay Metalder, Metalder kasi may chance siyang mag B2, second seed sa group B. Okay, so to? Tama, lane 2 si ang lane 2 ngayon si Myrick. Kasi kanina si Myrick ang lane 1, lane 2 si Metalder. This time, Metalder lane 1, Myrick lane 2. Switch on! Ready, set, bye. Ay, patay. Naunang imbang si Naunang umimbang si Metalder. So, 1 all. 1 all lahat. Balik tayo sa umpisa. Rematch ulit silang dalawa. This time si Myrick ang winner's break. Si Myrick naman ngayon ang winner's break. Lane 2. Di lane 1. Lane 1 ngayon si Myrick. Tapos si Metalder lane 2. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Pakaway, nakabaway. Naunang umimbang si Myrick, therefore Metalder wins. Metalder 1-0. Against Setsuna, siya? Si Setsuna? Lane 2, lane 1 ngayon. Lane 2 ulit. Lane 2 naman si Metalder this time. Alright. Sichon. Ready, set, bye. Okay, that's it. Nakuha na niya. That's it. That's it. Metalder B2. Undefeated siya kay Merrick. Natalo niya si Merrick. Natalo rin niya si Setsuna by a last man standing. Therefore, Metalder will be B2. Na-break it sa double overtime. Double overtime na to kasi. So, down to agawan na to. Agawan na to sa isang panalo. Kung sina Setsuna at Merrick for B3. Yung matalo rito, B4 na. Matik. 0-1. 0-1 din. Agawan na to sa ano. So, lane 1 uli si Setsuna this time. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Okay. Sumabit na si Merrick bago pa nasampa ni Setsuna eh. So therefore, Setsuna B3, Merrick B4. Ayun. So ayos na yung ano natin, finally. So after that double overtime na tiebreaker pace, si Metalder ang B2, si Setsuna ang B3, and then si Merrick ang B4. Meaning ulilat ng Group B. Si Merrick yung B4 na yun. B1 top seed. Top seed yun. Ngayon lang tayo mag-knockout stage. Yan. Alright. A1 versus B4. Merrick. Si Merrick yun, yung B4. Cosmo Merrick yung A1 B4. Tapos si Venom B1. B1 A4. B1 A4. Sinong A4? Stargate. Uy, gandang laban to. Venom versus Stargate. Ang ano? B1 versus A4. Oo. Pag ganito nung nakaraan, no? Ito mauuna. 1, 2, 3, 4. Dito mauna. 1, 2, 3, 4. Mauuna ito. Okay, sige. Si Setsuna B3. Dito yan. A2. McLaurin. Uy, McLaurin Setsuna. Rematch agad sila sa quarterfinals. Semifinals nung Monday. Ngayon, quarterfinals naman. McLaurin Setsuna. Tapos Dark Sun Metalder. B2, A3. Ay, kabila pala yun. A2, B3 pala, no? A2, B3. Tapos ito, B2, A3. Okay. So, ayun. Nasettle na yung knockout stage match. Yung mga match-up sa KO stage natin. Okay. So, confirm lang natin. Metalder B2. BZ. Setsuna Super 2 B3. Stock motor na nga lang yan. Ang bibilis pa rin. Grabe naman yan. Merrick B4. Yeah. So it's all settled then. At the end of our group stage tonight, it's going to be like this. So here is the result of Team Home. Cosmo Atomica in solo. Solo lahat yung record nila. Undefeated in 3 races sa group stage. Cosmo Atomica making it A1. McLaurin A2 with 2 and 1. Dark Sun as A3 with 1 and 2. And a winless campaign for Stargate making it A4. Yan. Tapos, sa Team Road naman, si Venom lang ang undefeated with 3 and 0. Tapos the rest of them, 1 loss, 2 draws lahat. So, kinailangan ng 3-way tiebreaker pace. Double overtime pa yung nangyari. And Venom will be a B1 rather. After that double overtime na tiebreaker pace, si Metalder po ang magkakamit ng second seat sa Group B. Setsuna relegated to B3. And Merrick will be at B4. So, yun po yung mga matchup po natin. Ito yung matchup sa ating KO stage
quarterfinals number 4. Ang unang quarterfinals matchup po natin will be Venom taking on Stargate, A4 versus B1. Pa-counterclockwise po tayo this time. Pag ganito po siya. Pag ganito tayo. Ganon din yan. Pag ganyan. So, ibig sabihin, magsisimula tayo sa A4 versus B1 tonight. And, tapos ang susunod niyan will be Metalder versus Dark Sun. B2 versus A3. Ang susunod niyan, McLaurin Setsuna, A2 versus B3. And then Cosmo Atomica versus Merrick, ang last quarterfinal duel, A1 versus B4. So without further ado, we'll now proceed right away with our AO stage featuring our quarterfinals number 1 matchup, Venom versus Target, B1 versus A4 in our quarterfinals number 1 for tonight. Pasado alas 6 na po yung oras natin sa buong kapuluan. And in this quarterfinals number 1, it's going to be Venom starting at lane 1. Venom will start at lane 1. Lane 1, lane 2, lane 1, lane 2. Pag sa tiebreaker phase kasi, hindi kasama doon yung tiebreaker phase sa lane 1, lane 2, lane 1, lane 2, ganyan. Switch lane allowed. Pwede po mag-switch lane. Pwede po tayo mag-switch lane kung sakali. Okay. So in our quarterfinals number 1 tonight, it's going to be Venom starting at lane 1, Stargate at lane 2. So pakbakan ng mga paskasero dito, magiging matchup po natin for tonight. And once again, this is yours truly, Don Patrick D. Paragular, hosting DPAT Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference this September 20, 2023. And we are now in our KO stage that will be started right away with this quarterfinals number 1. Alright, switch on. Ipan. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Boom! KO! Winner! That's it! Ganon lang kabilis yung ating quarterfinals number 1. It ended in a hit, in a tragedy. In an unfortunate tragedy ang nangyari doon, unfortunately. So, unfortunately for Stargate, Stargate is eliminated from our knockout stage today. And it's going to be Venom returning to the semifinals round after dismantling, parang ganon yung ginawa eh. After dismantling Stargate in their quarterfinal duel. Hit po yun. In case of a hit po kasi, basta hit. Pag merong hit na ganon, automatic tapos na po yung race. Tapos na talaga yung race. That's it. That's it. Ganon na yun. Game over na. Game over na yun sa duel na yun. Okay? So, outright winner na po yun. Wala nang re-race. Pero pag nagkaimbangan parehas, walang hit, re-race yan. Matik. Doon lang may re-race. Ganon yun, hanggang championship race. Ganon din. Doon sa ano naman, sa group stage, walang re-race. Whatever. Kung may hit, de hit. Panalo na. That's it. Pero pag nag-imbang pareho, wala. Draw yun. Sa group stage. Pero pag sa knockout stage, 2 restarts. Kung kailangan mag-last man, magla-last man. Ganon. Sa tiebreaker phase, last man standing applied. Alright. Quarterfinals number 2 will feature A3 Dark Sun taking on B2 Metalder. So, Mask Rider versus Metal Hero yung mangyayari sa ating quarterfinals number 2 between Dark Sun, the Mask Rider, and Metalder, the Metal Hero, the BR Trooper. BR Trooper siya. And in this matchup, it's going to be sino pa may higher seed? Metalder. Therefore, lane 2 siya. So, Metalder will start at lane 2 and Dark Sun will start at lane 1. Alternate starting lane po. Ang alternate starting lane po, ginagamit lang natin sa group stage, knockout stage only. Pero sa tiebreaker phase, switch lane yun from the group stage. Halimbawa, si Dark Sun lane 1, si Metalder lane 2, kung nagtabla sila sa record nila sa group, sa tiebreaker phase, kailangan ng tiebreaker phase, switch lane sila, palit sila ng starting lane to break the tie. Now, So, ganun po kasimple ang ating rules natin. Ang rules natin dito pala. Alright! It's now time for our quarterfinals number 2. Switch on! Ready, set, bye! Alright! Raise your arm. Na-rider kick. Last two. Final lap. Rider kick. Di pa rin nakascore si Metalder. Sayang. Ang ganda na sana na start. Bigla pang umembang. So unfortunately for Metalder, booted out once again itong si Metalder, ni Rider Punch at ni Rider Kick siya ni Dark Sun sa kanilang quarterfinal duel, making Dark Sun adding another point at least on its aggregate score. So at least 2 points. At least 2 points ang tapos niya at the end of this race day. Yan. Alright. So dalawang Dark Warriors na yun nakapasok. Isang team labas, isang team bahay. Alright. Quarterfinals number 3 will feature A2 McLaren against B3 Setsuna. So, yung old rivalry, old school rivalry sa D-Pats Tamiya. Muli sila mag-cruise ng landas. Sa mas maagang round this time, nung Monday sila semifinals. This time, quarterfinals agad na silang maghaharap muli. At sa puntong ito, ang kanilang mga starting lanes are as follows. McLaren will be at lane 1, Setsuna will be at lane 2 as their respective starting lanes. Kalimutan ko ipampala kanina yung nila. Alright. It's now time for our quarterfinals number 3. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Relays. Relays pa more. Sa event na yon, naunang umembang si Setsuna, kaya lang, yung si McLaren din, tumalon din, nag-change din, nasa lubong si Setsuna, hindi na alis ka. Sa bilis ng pangyayari, hindi natin nakuha kaagad. Therefore, re-race po tayo. Re-race po tayo dyan. Yan. Okay? Ngayon masyado na turog. Ano kaya yun? Ano kaya yun? Take. Alright. First of 2 restarts in our quarterfinals number 3. Ready, set, side. Aray! Aray, ito. Last two. Final lap. Ito may parang. KO! Si Setsuna, nakabawi. Nabawian niya si Setsuna. So, unfortunately for Setsuna, eliminated earlier itong si Setsuna. So, posibleng one last chance na lang para kay Setsuna for this month of September 2023. As Setsuna putted out by McLaren in our quarterfinal duel today, tonight na ngayon. So, McLaren Dark Sun ang magiging laban sa ating semi-finals round. Semis 1 na yan. Yan na yung semis 1, semis 2 yung kabila. Down to our last quarter-final matchup. It's going to be B4 Myrick versus A1 Cosmo Atomica. So, in this matchup, Cosmo Atomica starts at lane 2, Myrick at lane 1. Obvious na, kasi yung higher seeded dyan, it's Cosmo Atomica. Being top seeded ka in Group A, kulilat ng Group B ang kalaban niya, which is Myrick.
Mm. Tingnan natin kung maswertehan ni Merrick dito si Cosmo Atomica. Alright mga ka-Dipak, it's now time for our fourth and final quarterfinals matchup in our KO stage switch on. Ready, set, bye. Patay. Final ending, Cosmo. Final up. Okay. Winner. So unfortunately, si Merrick sibak na naman ng maaga. Dahil itong si Cosmo Atomica lulusot sa ating semifinals round. So it's Cosmo versus Venom in our semifinals number 2 tonight. And McLaurin battling Dark Sun once more in our first semifinals matchup. Yun ang semis 1 din, yung semis 2 Venom versus Cosmo Atomica. So si Venom lang yung bukod tanging team labas or team road na nakalusot sa ating semifinals round. So muntik na 3-1 pabor sa team home this time. Check natin. McLaurin, Dark Sun, Venom. Yun. Yung nakaisa lang yung team labas quarters 1. Pero yung Metal Dead Dark Sun, okay na sana na rider kick lang Malas. Kaya si Setsu na minalas pa. Aray. Alright. Switch natin yung ating solar lamp. Ayan. Alright, semi-finals number 1 na po tayo right away para madali na po natin para makakain tayo ng maaga. Ayan. Semis 1 will feature Dark Sun taking on McLaurin in our semis 1. And they will be rekindling their old rivalry right here in this semi-finals matchup. And sa puntong ito, si McLaurin ang magsimula sa lane 1, si Dark Sun naman sa lane 2. Dahil A2, A3 ito A2 versus A3. Yung labanan dito sa 2-3 matchup. Alright. Dragon Spire na naman. By the way, sa September 24, meron po palang fun race ng Tamiya Mini 4-wheel drive doon sa SM Center Dagupan ulit. After September 3, September 24, yung next na race doon sa SM Center Dagupan City, Pangasinan. So, yung makakapunta, enjoy lang sa pagpunta at paglalaro. Yan, just have fun out there. Play fair and square, that's it. Yun lang. Alright mga ka-Dipak, we are now in the semi-finals of the knockout stage for tonight's edition of Dipak's Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference, which will be started right away with this semi-finals number 1 switch on. Ready, set, bye. Final up. McLaurin will emerge victorious over Dark Sun, and McLaurin will return to the championship race tonight. Yan, so may pagkakataon siyang makadagdag sa kanyang aggregate score at humabol kina Cosmo Atomica, Venom at Setsu. Alright, in the meantime, it's now time for our semifinals number 2 featuring Venom versus Cosmo Atomica. So Big Spider versus Sonic na naman po ay magiging matchup natin sa ating semifinals number 2. And in this matchup, the starting lane will be top-seeded pareho to, no? Venom, top seeded ng Group B. Top seed ng Group A si Cosmo. So, better record, parehong 3-0. Parehong 3-0 pala. Pero sino yung mas nangunguna sa aggregate score? Si Cosmo Atomica, di ba? Highest si Cosmo, 13. Si Venom, 10. Therefore, si Cosmo Atomica ang magsimula sa lane 2. Based on the aggregate scoring, tabla sila sa group stage ngayong gabi, ngayong araw nito. Parehong 3-0 sa kanilang group. In their respective group, 3-0 sila parehas. Top seeded sila parehas. So, kung titingnan natin, yung pagbabasehan natin dito yung aggregate scoring nila this month, si Cosmo Atomica may mas mataas na value with 13 and Venom has 10. Therefore, Cosmo Atomica will start at lane 2 and Venom will start at lane 1. Ayun. Yun yung basehan po natin. Pag nagkatablahan lahat, tingnan na lang yung aggregate score. Alright mga kalipat, let's get ready to rumble here in the semi-finals number 2. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Ganda ng slide. Ang ganda ng slide. Oh, yun lang. Ating game na. Final lap. Ganda ng battle of top seeded na yan. So, Orange Army ang magwawagi ngayong September 20, 2023 dahil itong si Cosmo Atomica ang uusad sa ating championship race to add more points on its aggregate score, trying to secure its lead and to cement its hold on its way to our Champion of the Month award. And Venom will be settled for race for third against Dark Sun right away. So yun na po yung natin. Susundan na po natin kagad yan ng ating race for third between B1 Venom against A3 Dark Sun. So yung top 2 ng Group A, sila ang ating top finalists, mga finalists ng ating championship race mamaya-maya. And in this race for third this time, it's Dark Sun who will start at lane 2 and Venom will be starting at lane 1 again. Dahil higher seed po kasi si Venom this time. Sa kasong ito, higher seed kasi si Venom. Alternate starting lane po kasi tayo. Ayan. Tingnan natin kung baka rider kick si pumupula na yung rider kick laban sa lightning wave. May Venom. Alright mga kadipat, without further ado, it's now time for our race for third this September 20, 2023 right here on BPAT's Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference. First to 6 laps. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Na-rider kick. Hindi yung rider kick sa lightning wave. Malakas talaga yung sapot ni Venom. Makamandag. Makamandag pa rin, may asim pa. And Venom will secure another 2 points, additional 2 points on its aggregate score after finishing third place tonight over Dark Sun. Upon defeating Dark Sun in the race for third duel, and Dark Sun will be adding 1 aggregate point on its total, making it 2 points. I think that's just its second point for this month para kay Dark Sun. 2 points. So possibly, yun pa rin yung front motor, o yung front motor pa rin yung kapalit. Si Mac Paragpolakis ulit ang papalik sa Lunes. Tapos, yung sa naman, Venom, Metalder. Si Metalder ang nag-second sa sa group nila. Therefore, si Metalder ang papalik
at si Venom for team labas on Monday with Impey and Neon Sara. So, si Metalder lang pala yung bukod tanging VZ chassis sa Group B. Ganon din sa kabila, si Darksan ang Group A. So, yun po yung magiging lineup po natin. So, sinabi na po natin in advance kung sino yung mga sino yung mga maglalaban-laban sa DPATS Premier League Stock Motor Conference come September 25, 2023. That is a Monday. September 25 and 27 on my Kuya Marcos birthday. Yung last race natin sa Stock Motor Conference will be on September 27, 2023. And then after nun, palit track layout na from September 28 onwards. Palit track layout. Yung may mga plain na po yung inyong lingkod para diyan. Tama. Dark Sun second point. Yung si Venom ngayon, ang final total niya sa ngayon 12. So tingnan natin kung si Cosmo Atomica, it's either 16 or 17 yung tapos niya ngayong gabi. McLaren naman 7 or 8. 7 or 8 yung magiging points niya. Down to our one final showdown for today's edition of DPATS Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference, which will feature the top 2 cars from Group A, Cosmo Atomica and McLaren, respectively A1 versus A2 in our championship race for today's edition of DTL SMC. And in this matchup, it's going to be Cosmo Atomica starting at lane 2 and McLaren will be starting at lane 1. Kasi nga po, higher seed si Cosmo Atomica, kaya siya ang nasa lane 2. Ulit, lane 2 na naman. Kasi nga po, alternate starting lane 2. Pero I don't know sa next, baka maiba na natin yung rules para sa next month ng DPATS Tamiya League. Alright mga ka-DPAT, hipon ko pala muna. Hindi ko pa pala nagamit yung Dragon's Breath. Shout out Bernard de Guzman of MSR at sa buong mga Danpitek Racers at sa Team TNR. Shout out po. Shout out kay Service yung nag-coin ng Dragon's Breath eh. Alright mga ka-DPAT, without further ado, it's now time for our championship race to close out our festivities right here on DPATS Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference this September 20, 2023. First to 6, switch on. Ready, set, buy. Cosmo Atomica ahead. McLaren trying to catch up. But no way. Final 2 laps to settle. McLaren trying to hold on to the lead. And the final lap is going to be... Oy! Baby pa yata. Wow! Medyo gumanon siya. Yung pag medyo split second yung sabay na rin eh. Parang halos sabay silang na gano'n, no? Nagganon sila. Pretty. Dead heat po mga kadipat. Dead heat. Dead heat. Dead heat. Sabay eh. Sabay silang tumapos. Akala natin matatapos si Cosmo Atomica. Biglang habol si McLaren. Biglang panipas. Point. Sinabay ang patuloy. Nagpantay silang ganyan, no? Pakita natin. Nagganito sila. Holy smoke. Holy smoke. Tabla. Pero siyempre, hindi pwede magtabla. There can only be one champion right here. Sorry, race tayo. Another 6 laps. Kulang talaga 6 laps para masettle yung score nilang dalawa. Battle of Orange Army Front Motor Cars. Wow. Alright, first of 2 restarts in this championship race. Still race to 6 pa yan. Race to 6 lang naman talaga all the way. Pero pagdating ng October, pwede sigurong race to 10 na. Depende sa haba ng tracks. Tingnan natin. Na? Alright, first of 2 restarts. Ready, set, bye.
Kaso, nakabawi pa. Final up. Yun ang convincing. Malas, second place pa rin. Back-to-back second places para kay Cosmo Atomica. Last week, back-to-back championship. This week, back-to-back second places para rito kay Cosmo Atomica. So, still in command of the aggregate scoring with a total of 16. And McLaren will add 4 aggregate points, making it a total of 8 this month after finishing as champion. Grabe! Talagang saving the best for last itong ating championship race ngayong gabi mga kadipat. Wow! Grabe to! Grabe to! As in, grabe, el terrible na nga, el grabe pa. Diyos ko po. Diyos ka po, Pineapple Bayan. Eka nga ni Congressman Erwin Tulfo. Diyos ko po, Pineapple Bayan. Alright. Final results na po tayo. Yan nga po yung ating mga podium finishers for tonight's edition of the Pats Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference with McLaren finally winning a championship for this month of September 2023, making it a total of 8 after winning a championship, a set of championship points plus 4 plus 4, kaya 8 points. On the other end, from last back-to-back championship last week, Cosmo Atomica will finish back-to-back second placer for this week, third week of September, and additional 3 points on its aggregate score, making it a total of sweet 16 this September 2023. Still in command, that is. Cosmo Atomica still in command in our aggregate scoring for this month. On the other end, Venom will finish third place tonight and will add 2 points on its aggregate score, making it a total of 12 points. Second na ngayon, naagawan na niya ngayon si Setsu nasa second place. So si Cosmo Atomica at si Venom ngayon ang top 2 aggregate scorers ngayong September 2023 with 16 and 12 respectively. And with only a couple of race days left for this month, on September 25 and September 27, yung pressure is building up dito sa dalawang ito. So magkakaalaman talaga sa final week natin sa finale week natin ng Pats Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference on that track layout. Pagdating ng next track layout, baka alaw na po natin yung mga tune. Tingnan natin kung ano yung magiging sistema natin dyan. And finally but not the least, Dark Sun, despite having a damaged left front roller, yung nagpalit nga lang tayo ng 90mm, nag-provide lang tayo pansamantala as a temporary, parang first aid lang, paunang lunas lang. Dark Sun will finish fourth this September 20, 2023, and additional 1 point on its aggregate score, making it 2. So dalawa pa lang, so wala nang habol. So ayan po yung mga aggregate scores nila. McLaren with 8, Cosmo Atomica with 16, Venom with 12, Setsuna with 11, and Dark Sun with 2. Tapos yung iba may 3 points. So sina Metalder at Polaris na lang po ang hindi pa po nakakascore. Pero ang maganda lang nito, sa Lunes babalik si Metalder kasama ni Venom, MP at Neon Sara. Kasi nag second place sa group B. Kung sino yung top 2 ng bawat group, yun ang babalik. Yun ang babalik the next race day. Ganun yung mangyari dyan. So sa kaso nito, si Dark Sun tanggal ulit, si Magmar at Polaris papalit. Tapos sa kabila naman, Venom, Metalder, MP, Neon, Sara ang lineup. So that will do it for our September 20, 2023 edition of the Pats Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference. And once again, this has been your host here. Once again, mga podium finishers po yung nakikita nyo ngayon on screen. And this has been your host here, Don Patrick D. Peregla, signing off for now. And thank you so much to all who are watching and who will watch anytime on our video log every Monday and Wednesday at 5 p.m. onwards. Yan, alas 5 onwards. Wag lang po malate ng 5:30. Wag lang tayo mag-start ng later than 5:30. Wag lang between 5 to 5:30 lang po dapat mag-start. Alright, so nag-adjust po kasi ako ng maaga so that makapagluto pa tayo ng hapunan.
So once again mga kadipat, I remind everyone to stay safe and healthy, avoid negative vices, especially drugs and all other negativities around you, and protect yourselves from all those negativities at all times and at all costs. And as always, mga kadipat, to God be all the glory and honor. God bless all of us. God bless our beloved Maharlika Nation, and God bless the entire world and all of us Filipinos across the globe as well. Walagi po mga kadipat, mahalin po natin ang Pilipinas at sama-sama po tayong bumangon muli at ipakita at ipagmalaki sa buong mundong tayo ay Pilipino. Isigaw ng malakas ang ating panalo, taos puso, taas noo, kahit kanino. And once again, this has been your host here, Don Patrick D. Peregular, leaving you a pleasant run and gun Wednesday evening to all of you. And muli po, this has been another presentation of another exciting edition of the Pats Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference. And see you ulit sa huling dalawang race days na natitira on September 25 and September 27 to close out this Stock Motor Conference for the month of September 2023 right here on the Pats Tamiya League Facebook page live. For now mga kadipat, see you around. Shukran.